Nilipomaliza class 8 au form 4, nilipomaliza form 4, nikawa nimejengewa ile tunaita Isimba. Tulikuwa tunajengewa ile cottage ya kwa
If you interacted with him personally, then part of that color in his life is in your life. If you did not get a chance to interact with him personally, he touched your life through his contribution and effort towards the so-called second liberation. My father's life is no more on this side of heaven.
Every time, I have never put my phone off. The times I've been called at midnight. The times I've been called at 2 a.m. Dominic is unwell. Dominic is convulsed. But I could tell her, before I come, open the doors. I'll be there in 5 minutes.
I can just tell the family, thank you for giving us Dominic, and also be grateful that you had such a father, such a brother, such a son, such an uncle, because from what I saw of the young man, I think it is Alex, I saw Dominic in him.